Exporters, outgrowers and other stakeholders in the agriculture sector have been availed with a $500 billion worth market across Africa, Europe and the United Arab Emirates. Famunera, the platform architect, confirms the digital market provision as a solution to market fraud, financing and market access. Besides the Europe and Africa, the Middle East has been brought on board as a potential market for African suppliers, dealing particularly in fruits and vegetables.
That you think you are good in, out of the products you see there. And what are we going to do next is to get on the job of both assisting you to build the supply chain and also giving you the business so that you can do business directly with the buyers. We don't want to do the job of gatekeeping. We want you to do business directly with the buyers. Who pays us money? For us, we are contracted by the buyers to do as their sourcing agents. We house you exporters, we screen you out. We also onboard the farmers that are able to supply you locally here so you can fulfill those orders that the markets that we are able to channel to you.
While the export value is currently at $4 billion and contributing up to 10% of the GDP, consumers still express frustration with bureaucratic tendencies, citing the Export Promotion Board and MAIF, observations that both bodies reject. According to Uganda Export Promotion Board, the highlighted concerns are misinterpreted efforts to streamline the market process.
We are at the 4 billion level. That's where we are in terms of exports, okay, which is about 10–11% of GDP. And when you're talking about merchandise exports, which are products, our exports are now at the 3.7 billion level. So these are the tangible products, including the fruits, the vegetables, and all those other products we are talking about. Of course, to make up the 4 billion, then we also have the side of services, where the tourism and all those other services come in. So that is where we are.
Data to evaluate weather patterns, then also soil conditions, crop health, and also market trends. So this data enables political heads make informed decisions like resource allocations, pest management regulations, and policy enhancements. Then there is improved access to information and knowledge. All of you have ever heard of different applications that the ministry has worked with farmers and the extension officers, including the e-knowledge management.
The Commissioner Processing and Marketing at the Ministry of Trade, Joshua Mutambi, emphasized the importance of research and product development in the industry, encouraging effective utilization of progressive digital technologies to access global and regional markets such as the free trade area. Still, exporters contend with the need of rudimentary farming to enforce quality assurance.
So, research and product development is very key in our area. Packaging. We are putting up policies and strategies to address the packaging solutions and systems. Standards, time and again, definitely, when you are trying to compete in the markets, you know that your competitors are already thinking so fast, they want to continuously edge you out. So even us, every day we need to check on what is it that these markets are demanding. And information, access to information now again.
Yeah, the products get rejected. That's why we have to carry out organic markets. We have to carry out good agriculture practices, making sure that you have MRL levels in high MRL levels into your products, like using of chemicals. That's why we're in organic, making sure our products are natural. Because right now EU has become very tough in checking our products for residue. Whereby they have sent out a whole list of around 600 new pesticide residue chemicals that we find in our products, that we have to make sure that we tighten on our farmers to make sure that they do not spray our products and do everything into a natural way. That's why now it's always good to now go back to the rudimentary ways.
The platform intends to leverage digital market aspects to resolve boundary limitations and exploit markets across Africa, Europe, and the United Arab Emirates.